look at them wheels up there, Biggs. Holy shit. Wow, those look great on my Camaro.
All right, Johnny, you ready for this?
Hey, can you see my eyebrows?
You don't have any. What's going on, guys? Biggs back again with custom offsets. Today we have another this or that for you. Today I have my boy Glenn. Glenn is new to the team. He is one of our leads for custom offsets, and there's a lot of big things in the works that Glenn's gonna be a part of. Before we get started, we have another giveaway for you. This giveaway, we're doing fuel wheels, Falcon tires, and a zone suspension. If you want a chance to win that, head on over to customoffsets.com/giveaway. Pick up one of these dope tees, and you know, you might be the winner. Who knows? Try it out. Let's go.
Let's go!
Built Ford 1995 F350 diesel or stock Ford 2020 F150 diesel?
Built 95 diesel all day.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the built 95 diesel as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone knows from here on out or from previous videos that I've been in that I really like that generation, and that I really want to get into one of those at some point if I can find a clean one, and you know, not one that's, you know, I have to put a lot of money into. I know that I'm gonna have to put money into it regardless, but I don't really want to do a bunch of body work to one to get it where I want it. I kind of want one of those clean ones that's out there somewhere. It's just a matter of picking up one for the right price.
Clean OBS diesels are hot trucks right now too. They're trending.
So hot right now.
Yeah, they are, and that's the big issue, because there's kind of a bro tax on them right now.
Oh yeah.
But for a good reason, because they're nice trucks and they look nice, and when you make them big and they go pew pew pew, they're just dope. So yeah.
Next one.
You win a truck for 2025. Do you choose gas? Do you choose diesel? Or do you choose electric?
Huh, that's a good ass question. I'd probably take a diesel. I'm a diesel guy.
Yeah, I'd probably go diesel as well. Solely based on, I don't know what electric trucks are gonna look like. I know that Elon's working on that, but as far as like how it's gonna turn out, and I know a bunch of other companies are, you know, in the works of making that, you know, electric. So until I can see proof of what that's gonna look like and how that's gonna function, and you know, the actual reliability of that, I'm definitely gonna probably steer away from that at this point. But maybe in the future, maybe that is the move. Maybe we, you know, get into something like that.
Lots of unknowns.
Yeah, exactly.
Single turbo, compound turbo, or triple turbo?
Oh, dude, triple turbos all day.
Okay, son.
Never owned one, but triple turbos sound cool.
Triple turbos do sound cool.
Hell
I
yeah.
think I'm gonna go with the big fat turbo though. Just one huge one that just goes.
Is that all you got?
That's it. That's all I got.
Ford Excursion or Chevy Suburban?
Oh,
That's a really good one, because they don't make the Excursion anymore, so the Ford Excursion's kind of like an icon of like the biggest SUVs on the market in the past.
yeah, dude, this is so funny, because I literally this week was like, man, what if I lifted a Tahoe or lifted a Suburban? I mean, they're kind of the same, correct?
Big SUVs, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Flame me in the chat if I'm wrong. But I was like, what if I did that? And I know Ford isn't really in that game anymore. And when they were in that game and they were big and lifted, I wasn't a huge fan of them. I definitely would go like with the GM product of a lifted like SUV if that's the route we were going. But the Excursion is pretty dope, and it could be cool if you build it up. But
Going with the 7.3 diesel.
Oh yeah,
That'd be sweet.
Yeah, I'd probably go with the GM though.
Unreal.
Yeah.
Unreal. Unreal.
Fummins or a dough stroke? Power stroke swapped Dodge?
I'm gonna have to go with Fummins, because that's a Ford truck with a Cummins engine. I have never heard of dough stroke.
I'm not really liking the sound of whatever that
no.
is. So I'm gonna go with the Ford with the Cummins as well.
Hell yeah.
I think we're referring to, if we're correct, a Dodge with a Ford engine in it, a Power Stroke engine in it, but directions were unclear and we ended up on the Eiffel Tower. But yes.
Fummins for the win.
Yep, Fummins for the win. I hate the sound of both of those. I really do.
Oh, hey, Baker.
What up, dude?
How much are those ones for my truck?
Are you kidding me right now?
$1,100.
Unreal.
Probably not even that
Real.
much. Hey,
Bye, Baker.
Hey, do you want to get some of those off-roading wheels for your Camaro? Because
I really would like that.
$60,000 budget for a truck you can drive year-round, or $160,000 budget for a truck you can only drive 1 month a year.
oh,
Huh. I'd take the $60,000 daily.
I would.
1 month driving the fancy truck. If I had a SEMA truck, I'd daily that thing. So screw that. I'm not parking a truck 11 months. No.
Yeah, oh man, why is this so hard
How
for
is
me?
this so hard?
So hard.
Let's be real here.
I just know that the truck that my dream truck, my dream build is in that price point of 100 to 160.
1 month.
But 1 month out of the year, I feel like I can make a $60,000 truck a dream truck and drive it year round. So I'm gonna go with 60K, drive it year round, because that's what you need to do with a truck. You need to drive that thing. You don't need to just park it and look at it. I know it's pretty, but it's prettier on the pavement.
Agreed. Pretty on the pavement.
Yes.
Drive them.
Yep.
Bonus question: pizza rolls or bagel bites?
Bagel bites.
I've never had bagel bites.
Oh, dude, bagel bites are fire. Biggs.
What's the question again, John?
Can you repeat the question?
I've never had a bagel bite my whole entire life, so I'm gonna go with pizza rolls. And I really just don't care for pizza rolls either, but I don't know what a bagel bite is, so.
It's a mini bagel with like cheese and pepperoni on it.
Oh,
And
no.
dude, it's so good.
Nope.
Way
I'm gonna-
better than pizza rolls.
Pizza rolls for the win.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
That's what we have for you on today's This or That. If you guys need wheels, tires, or suspension, or accessories, head on over to customoffsets.com and pick yourself up something and, make your truck dope and ride in style, like I like to say. And that's it. That's all we got today, Glenn.
Hell yeah.
Peace.
Well.